Just as with addition, when subtracting whole numbers, we subtract digits in the same place value. So in this first problem, 48 subtract 22. First, 8 minus 2 is 6, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So this says that 48 subtract 22 equals 26. On the next problem, we follow the same procedure. 4 subtract 6 cannot be done. 4 is smaller than 6, so we have to borrow. So this means we borrow 1 from the next column up, so that 2 becomes a 1, and the 4 now becomes 14. Now we try the subtraction again. 14 subtract 6 is 8. Then in the tens column, 1 subtract 1 is 0. And then in the hundreds column, 2 subtract 1 is 1. So this says that 224 minus 116 equals 108. Now on to the last problem. We follow the same steps as in the previous two. 6 subtract 9 can't be done. 6 is smaller than 9. So we'll have to borrow. However, we can't borrow anything from 0. So we have to borrow again from the next column up. So we borrow 1 from the 3, and it becomes 2. That lets us add 10 to the middle column, so it becomes 10. But now we need to borrow 1 from the middle column, so that 10 becomes a 9. Then we add 10 to the third column, and it becomes 16. Now in every one of the columns we can perform the subtractions. 16 subtract 9 is 7. 9 subtract 2 is 7. And 2 subtract 2 is 0. So we can write this as 7, 7. So 306 minus 229 equals 77.